Hey guys, welcome back to Sun City Living. Thank you so much for tuning in again this week. If you are new here, I want to welcome you to the channel. My name is Teresa Ramirez and I am a realtor with eXp Realty here in the beautiful El Paso, Texas. In this channel, I cover all things El Paso related to real estate as well. I do property tours as well as community tours. So if I can be of service to you, please feel free to subscribe and ring the bell just to be notified of any new videos that I post. Today, I'm bringing you guys a property tour of this beautiful Pointe home. This floor plan is called the Lail. It is just under 2,800 square feet. It is listed at 560,000, and this is in the Horizon area. This one does feature three car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and the way that the space is allocated in this floor plan is perfection. When you first walk in to the left, you're gonna have a bedroom, and that's gonna have a full bathroom as well, perfect for a guest or a mother-in-law that needs her own space. And then in the other part of the house, you're gonna have the additional 2 bedrooms with an additional full bathroom with double vanity. And then right off the open concept kitchen living area, you're going to have the master bedroom that also has its ensuite. It's a phenomenal way to sort out this much space in a one-story house. It is one story, but it truly feels like you have so many different spaces in this one. I hope that you guys enjoy the tour. You guys know that if you have any questions on this builder or any other builder here in El Paso, I'm here to assist you. Enjoy the tour and have a great week.